On behalf of the Philippine Cancer Society and the National Cancer Control Council, I thank the DOH and the DILG for launching the organized cancer screening services this May 2024. The significant milestone began with DOH AO number 6 in February 2005 with similar screening methods: acetic acid wash, pap smear, speculoscopy, colposcopy, biopsy, and now a new recommendation of an HPV DNA test. With the WHO, JPICO, APEC Health, and DOH focus on cervix cancer, Philippine Cancer Society ensured that early detection of breast cancer also has a head start. And hence, with the Act Now movement, successfully launched in 2023 in Barangay Commonwealth, Quezon City. The Act Now includes an online self-help education registry self-assessment that tags the high-risk woman, an e-triage patient navigation to LGU clinics, general hospitals, DOH cancer centers. It uses breast self-examination, clinical breast examination, and breast ultrasound. Through the downsstaging strategy, 30% of breast cancer deaths can be prevented over 5 years. There are greater reductions in death and financial catastrophe in lower income class. The early detection intervention is cost-effective and modestly effective in reducing financial catastrophe. Government-funded financial protection can further decrease financial catastrophe. We all know that breast cancer and cervix cancer are the first and the third top cancers among Filipino women, that both begins in the age group 35 to 60, and that the target woman's one crucial annual clinic visit could prevent breast and cervix cancer. The Department of Health Cancer Control Division has incorporated early breast cancer detection in the nationwide cervical cancer nationwide campaign, strongly initiating an organized cervix cancer elimination plan and an organized breast cancer early detection strategy. So salamat po sa inyong lahat. Nanay, ate, tiya, mahalaga kayo. Tayo na sa center, magpasuri. Tayo na.